everybody, happy Monday and welcome to my video today. Welcome to Simply Layered Kits with Tina and Chris. I'm so excited this month to be using not only some really fun designer paper, but we are using Memory and More cards as well this month. If you're unfamiliar with our Simply Layered Kits, they are super simple. Imagine that. So what they are is I have a suggested supply list. We're going to go through those items. When you purchase using the host code, I will have my host code up here in just 1 minute. You can purchase from either myself or Chris. Chris has a separate host code. When you use one of those host codes, you spend $50 or more with us, you get the kits to make these projects. So here is the layout. Our product that we're using this month is the Santa's Workshop stamp set, the die set, the designer paper, and the Memory and More cards. This is such a fun set of product to have. Chris has been making beautiful things with it. I just started making some things with it. And so let me show you. Here's the layout. And then here is the card that Chris made. And what happens is this is open for 2 weeks, the pre-order part of this. You place your order using one of the host codes. If you're ordering from Chris, you use her host code. If you're ordering from me, you use my host code. And you spend $50 or more, and then you get all of the supplies to make this. You get exclusive videos, and you get an exclusive gift. So here is Chris's card, my layout. And then this month, the exclusive gift is going to be an actual pocketed page insert. So we'll be talking about that. So this is actually how the full layout looks. And then let me show you what our suggested supply list is. And we do not ship anything that is 12 by 12. So this month we're suggesting that you purchase the Santa's Workshop 12 by 12 cardstock pack or the Bright cardstock pack. I suggest purchasing this because you'll have extra paper going forward. This is in the holiday catalog. So the Santa's Workshop 12 by 12 cardstock. Then we suggest you purchase you will absolutely need the Santa's Workshop designer paper. This paper is beautiful. It has flocking on it. It's gorgeous. We're going to be using a ton of pieces for this designer paper. So you definitely need the 12 by 12 designer paper. So then the next thing that is on our list is the Signs of Santa stamp set and the dies, and you can get this in a bundle. So we definitely suggest that. You'll save 10%. You'll be using the stamp set a lot with Chris, and the dies coordinate with some of the paper, so that is amazing. You're going to get lots of use out of this product. And then I suggest also picking up the Memory and More Santa's Workshop card pack because we use a ton of the cards. So the suggested supply list is down below in this post, or if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, it's in the description so you can see exactly what you need to purchase. Again, you'll use the host code, or if you're watching over on Chris's channel, she has a host code. If you're seeing her on Facebook, her information will be there. So when you use the host code and you purchase the product, you get the kit for free. So you get all of the pieces with the exception of the Memory and More cards and anything that's 12 by 12. So the cardstock down here and the designer paper here. But you'll get all of the pieces. So we always package this up really nicely for you. So let me just show you how it works when you get it. You'll have a bag here that will have your free gift in it, and then you have a bag that says card kit items, and that is for your card kit because you do get to create a card. And then you have a side A and side B for the layout, and you get that. And then we have been having fun providing a extra 3D project, and so if you have that, you'll also have that, and it comes all put together for you. You get 2 exclusive videos, one from myself and one from Chris, putting our projects together, and then you get an exclusive PDF. So there are other options. If you just want the videos, those are $20. If you want the kit and you don't want any of the product, that's $25. And then if you spend $50, you get all of the kits, the videos, and all of that. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Supply lists are provided, and then the timeline is it's open for 2 weeks pre-order, and then we ship out the kits and you get the exclusive videos and an email with all of that information between the 25th of the month and the 30th of the month. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday, and I will be back tomorrow and Wednesday with new projects for you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.